but these have pockets. So that's the first piece. Then this was in the dress section. I wear it as a dress or like a bralette underneath it or something. But it's like the, or use it as a cover up too, wear like a white piece cover up thing, or a white tank top. I have this cherry, kind of like polka dot, not really, but like cherry like dress thing, and it's really pretty. It's really cute. I didn't think this was my style until I tried it on, and oh my gosh, it's really cute. And it has really long like strings to tie around or however you want it. I think these strings are a bit too long. Look how long these are. I think that's a bit long for whatever to do with them. Next one, I have this jacket. It's very soft and like thin. Sorry for the wind. The wind is blowing. I don't know if you can hear it, but I have my door open. It's a little hot in here. Maui. I think it's Maui. Maui, never been there. Sure, like an island or some kind. Like, I don't know. But yeah, it's really comfy. It's really thin. And yeah, it's cute. So we have this just yellow, bright yellow tank top that I got from Goodwill, obviously, because this whole video is about Goodwill. It's no boundaries, but it's really cute. Bright yellow, they can see me coming. Then I have this workout type shirt, tank top, and it's black and white. And it's got the little bunchies up and stuff. Next, I have these white leggings, tights, whatever you want, and they got like these little designs on them. I don't know if you can see that, but they're really white, as you can tell, but they're really comfy and really soft, and you can like wear them with a dress or like a skirt or layer up to be real cute in the winter. So you can wear skirts and dresses, because I'm the type of person who loves to wear dress and skirts, and I can't wear them until it gets warmer. Same ones, but just kind of similar. They're gray and they got like lines on them, and they're really comfy as well. They're stretchy. So I have a tank top that says Happy Place, and it has like a campground setup thing, like little teepees or tents on it. It's really cute. This was brand new. I have all the tags off because I had to wash them. I found this and it was brand new, and it's a cut off, like a, not really cut off, but it don't have sleeves, but it's like a this gray jacket, like buttons, and it's from J and then space, like a dash, like J-I. I don't know that brand, clothing brand, but hey, this was brand new. So it had tags on originally. This was 30 bucks, and I got it for $3.99. So that's a steal. Next, I have these really cute maroon, because y'all know maroon's my favorite color. Besides green. But I have these maroon jeggings. They're like skinny jeans, but like jeggings, so really soft and like really stretchy. And these are maroon pants. And I just rolled them up once when I wore them. I already wore these too. But yeah, they're cute, and they got pockets on it, and they're high-rise jeggings as well. Then I have this black and white t-shirt. Oh, this is upside down. When I put it on, I tried it on, it reminds me of a skater shirt. I don't know why, but it just reminds me of a skater shirt. And it's like just this little t-shirt. And it also reminds me of what skaters would wear. Like Vans people. Like people who loves Vans put up with this. Like wear this with that. That'd be hot. Then I have this. Is this Bongo brand. It's like no sleeves, like a tank top, but it has like a little collar turtleneck type thing, and it's really long. It's like supposed to be a dress, I'm assuming, but I use it as like a long shirt because it's way too short on me, because I'm 5'10" and a half, almost like 6 foot. People think I'm 6 foot because some people are like 6'1", and I'm like pretty tall up there with them. Way too short on me, so I just wear them with skinny jeans or shorts or leggings or something. You can layer it up, be really cute. That's one of my favorite pieces. Then I found this cute fun shirt. It is this thin material, and it's like this mint green with a freaking ice cream on it, and it's so cute and adorable, and it's like almost like realistic, like literally it looks realistic, like real, like It's so cool. Like, it looks so good. Paired up with skinny jeans, shorts, whatever. It's about to be summer. So, you can be fun, colorful, and cool. Like, temperature-wise. So, it's really cute. It might be see-through, so either wear a tank top or a sports bra or something underneath it. But other than that, it's cute. Then I have these really cute skinny jeans that are PacSun Los Angeles. And they're skinny jeans again as well. And they have little rips on them. You can see, and they're like wish-washy, bleach, wish-washy skinnies. They got a little hole here, a little hole here, and here. And these are the neatest ones, and I don't have ones that have zippers at the bottom. You can wear them with it flared out, or you can zip it up and just wear it zipped up, like zip down or whatever. Zipped up, zip down. But these are really cute. I like them. I like them a lot. Next, I found these really cute high-waisted shorts. I used to never like high-waisted shorts. I used to really hate high-waisted shorts because I used to like booty shorts when I was younger, when I was like 12. But I used to hate high-waisted shorts, and I don't like booty shorts anymore because I'm 20, so like, no thanks. I'm rather not show my booty no more, and like I have one, right? But I really like high-waisted shorts, and I found these. And they have like little pluses on them. Like little pluses. I was gonna say crosses, but like little pluses. I don't know what it is, like stands for, but it's really cute. So these are these high-waisted shorts. And they're jeans by Style Nenda. I don't know. But these are pretty much everything that I got was like $3.99 each. There was maybe a dress or two. I was like $4.99, and like maybe that jacket was $4.99, but other than that, everything else was like $3.99, and it was on sale, so I got everything 50% off. So yeah, usually if you go to Goodwill the first Saturday of the month, you get 50% off on everything, every Goodwill and store-wide. But then there's days that they have sales like 75%, blue tag, red tag, white tag, green tag is like 25%, 50%. You know, 85% off, you know, everything. So you gotta look at their deals, and you can get some really good deals on really cute stuff, let me tell you. So I'm definitely wearing this to camp too. I'm wearing these camping, so they're really cute. Next, I have these nice maroon. Again, maroon is my favorite color. I have these maroon Aeropostale shorts, high-waisted shorts. I don't know why I want to keep saying high-waisted skinny jeans. They're shorts. There's no pant leg on these. Oh my gosh. Anyway, these are really cute. They're really soft, stretchy, and I like how they make my butt look, even though I don't have one. Cute. Next, I have this Ginger G, like tank top Indian shirt, and it's really cute. I love the colors, and it's just like this like net material. Not really net, but like it's not sewed either. It's not like a really regular t-shirt or like a regular tank top, but it's a high-low tank top, and I love it because I love the Indian style. I really like this tank top. It's cute and colorful. Next, I have these black skinny jeans. Skinny jeans are so cute because every girl's gotta have black skinny jeans in your closet because black goes with anything and white goes with anything. So I like black because also it's like edgy and like gives you like a cool look, or depends on what your mood and you're just not feeling happy that day. So I just feel to wear black, I guess. I don't know. But these are comfy as well. They're kind of stretchy and they're cute. Then I'm wearing these to camp too. Then I have these cute, adorable, really adorable black shorts, and they have like this little crisscross up string thing, but it zips up, cute, and they are high-waisted shorts as well. And they're stretchy, they're black, they're comfy, they're really cute, and I was gonna wear them with my yellow tank top. I'm wearing with my yellow tank top. That's what I'm wearing for camping, and that's really cute. So I'm wearing those. Next, Forever 21. These originally was 30 bucks. I am not joking. These were from Forever 21. Tags and everything was still on them. Brand new. Got them at Goodwill for $3.99. That's a great steal. Like, what? Seriously, though. Who has crisscross skinny jeans like this? Like, that is so cute. That is so adorable. Got them for $3.99. And originally $30. Like, this still blows my mind. This was my lucky day because I normally don't find things that are brand new. Next, we have leggings. They're purple flowers with mint green and stuff leggings on them, and they have like the crisscross see-through on them, like towards the end, like the end of the pant leg. But these are cute and comfy. I was gonna wear these for camping as well, and I wore the shirt last night, yesterday, something like that. I already wore some of these shirts or these clothes already, but I thought this was so funny. It says thrilled psyched, yeah right, awesomeness babe crew, empowered, like a statue. I don't know exactly who this freaking statue is, but I learned it in history. That's all I know. I learned it in history because it looks familiar. But it has a gorilla, heart, sunglasses, a strawberry, and a cupcake on it. And it's so cute. And I just thought it was different, and I thought it was funny, so I got it. It's really cute. I think it's really cute. It's just something random and, like, cute. Next, skirt, and it's from Dots, as you can see. And it's a high-low skirt with this band on it. Now, I didn't really like it as a skirt on me. So, instead of using it as a skirt, I used it as a top because it's an extra large and it's a bit big on me because I don't wear an extra large. But I use it as a top, like a strapless top, and I just put it up. So like this is long enough to be like a high-low shirt, like a dressy shirt. So I will show you in my try-on haul here in a minute. But this is really cute, and I use it as a shirt instead of a skirt, but this was originally a skirt. So, life hack. If you don't like the skirt, try it as a top. It is really cute, and I love it. And you wear it around as a top, and nobody will think it was a skirt. Trust me. Next, we have this really cute flower skirt shorts with a skirt. And this one hangs really pretty. It hangs really different, and it has like these little ruffles on the end and stuff, and it has shorts. I will show you what it looks like because this is so cute and adorable. I have one similar to this that I got at Route 21 that has red flowers on it, and it's black, and it's shorts with a skirt, but this one hangs different than that one. But this is really cute, and I really like it because I love flowers, and this is a pretty blue flowers and red, and it's really cute, and I just really like skirts with shorts. So cute. Next, last but not least, I have this gray dress that holds up on the side. It is really long. I was holding it up and looking at it. I didn't really think it would be that long on me, but it's really long, and it's an Oster something brand, but I didn't really think it'll be that really long on me. I thought it would be more like fitting, like a little below my knees, but it's not. But it's really cute. I really like it on me. It's just longer than I expected, but it's really, 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 really cute, and it's fit forming, and I like things that are fit forming. I don't like things that are baggy. The only thing I like is baggy is my hoodies and my joggers, but like everything else, like I like everything to be fit forming to me. This is really cute, and I love how it fits on me, and I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on because it's adorable. Show you guys what some of these look like on, and I'll come back to you.